In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Express key fob. Now, some of you out there might have a version of this device that's a little bit different, I think it has the red button here, the red panic button, and instead of saying lock and unlock, these buttons have a picture of a lock and then a lock that has been unlocked. As long as you have the Express key, that is this little rounded one, it has this little kind of chunk taken out there, that the process is going to be the same and the battery is going to be the same as well. So no matter which version you have, just follow along with me here. The only things you'll need are a coin and one of these CR2032 batteries, and the whole process is going to take you under 5 minutes. Now, if you don't know where to get one of these batteries, go check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can pick one of these up for just a few dollars. And then once you have everything you need, you can just jump right into this. So we want to look on the bottom of the device right there, right next to where the key ring attaches. There's this big indentation right along the seam. We're going to take our coin, insert it in there, kind of get it stuck in there, and then just hold the device gently and twist the coin. This thing will snap right open for you. It doesn't take much force. Once you have it open, you can set this to the side and come over here and work on the battery. Now, some of you out there can probably just pull this thing out with your fingernails. If you have longer nails, you can very easily get under there and pull this out. I don't, so I'm going to use this flathead screwdriver. You could also use another key or something like a pen or pencil. We just want to come over to where there's this little indentation. You can see that dark area right there. That's just a little divot that's going to help us get under the battery so we can just slide it out. We're just using our tool, whatever it might be, and we're just going in there, kind of getting under the battery, and then you can pull it up and it'll pop right out for you. Now go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Make sure your new battery is in fact a CR2032 battery. And when you're putting it in there, make sure the positive side that has the plus sign on it is going face up. You can see right here, it says plus side. Plus side goes down, just like you saw it at the beginning of the video. It says right there, plus side down. So when you're pushing it in, you want to see no text, no plus sign, snap it in positive side down. And from here, all we need to do is just reattach these two pieces. So go ahead and set that on there. Make sure it is all lined up and then just snap it back together and you are finished. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We've got you covered with tutorials just like this one for the devices for pretty much every make or model out there. And you can also get that information directly along with more detailed, just more information for you over at our website, which is fobbattery.com.